Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna Grachova. I'm an investment advisor, and here in Russia I work with extremely rich clients. Now I am going to the business private event in the taxi, and I have some time to tell you about personal crisis, what it means and how it is in reality. Actually, I faced these difficulties by my own, and even some weeks ago I didn't know how to live my life. So it is not about the depression itself. I think it is more when you don't want to live how you lived before, and when you don't know how to live otherwise. And I thought about my job at one way, then I faced difficulties, I understood reality better, and I came to the conclusion that I don't want to continue doing what I did earlier, because it is not so effective now. It doesn't work for me anymore, and it was the most difficult thing to understand how to live using other behavior, because you don't know, and in reality nobody knows what to do, because it is all individual situations, and you can go through these difficulties by your own. Of course, you can listen to advice of other people, or watch this video and make some conclusions, but also you should understand that it is your responsibility to take yourself in your hands and understand how to live after, what kind of behavior you want, which kind of person you want to be. And so like personal crisis, it is sometimes about not only the atmosphere where you live, it is more about your inside feelings, it is your personality. And when I was younger, I had one value was I wanted to do one things, but then when I faced reality, when I start knowing more people, when I had some experience, I changed my attitude to some situations also. So for example, some years ago I wanted to communicate with girls from the richest families, but it is like utopia in reality, because they don't suit me, and it is only one aspect that I can tell you about. And I really think that personal crisis is more about complicated aspects. So it is not only one thing, it is when you have like a summary of different like thoughts about life and how you don't want anymore. It can happen because firstly, when we set that goals and we try to achieve them, we didn't know how it will work in the reality, how it would be in when you live these situations. And so firstly we can think about one thing, like one way, but when we live this in the reality, we faced the dark side of these situations, and we can come to the conclusion that it is not interesting for us now, it is not actual. And when you faced different aspects, it can be called like a personal crisis, because when you have like some problems in only one sphere of your life or one situation, you can think about it, okay, I should go through this situation, and my life doesn't really change a lot. But when you have a lot of these aspects, with these, and then when you summarize all of it, you understand that you don't want to live as you lived before and use that kind of behavior also. And you shouldn't forget that people develop themselves, and if you are really young, your point of view can really change a lot. And of course, people can tell you that people don't change, but if we talk about youth, I really think that a person can become extremely different than he is now. It is normal, and this really works. So I really had like a personal crisis. I didn't want to work as I worked before. I understood that the concept that I followed doesn't work now, and people who make business, run their business, they can face this situation too, but not in their life, but in their business. It would be crisis, but not like personal itself. But when you have like wish to behave otherwise, to highlight your strong parts that you hide, for example, to when you accept the reality, when you understand how everything works, you can really change yourself, and this can influence your life really seriously. And these changes can be called at one so some people can call it personal crisis too. So it is like a complicated aspect with which a lot of people people can suffer from. But again, you should understand that after some time, when you understand what doesn't work in your life, how you don't want to live anymore, and which aspects you would like to change, then very soon you will not have personal crisis. It is like the situation with me, and in reality now I'm really happy. I have another eyes. I feel myself much better, and opportunities come to my life, unexpected opportunities that I could never imagine. And I really think that there is like a fate in our life that can, so our life really teach us, and we can rely on it a bit, but not very often. So I really think that when you want to go through your personal crisis, you should do what I have already told you, and also understand that when you start living otherwise, you will face different opportunities. You will have, so life will give you different opportunities, but it happens not because it is only like fate. It is also your choice. For example, you decide to go using this trip, or go to this event that you have never thought before, and when you understand your valuables, and now this event suits you, you face people there that are more suitable for you, that you are now, not for you the version of you that was previously. So I really think that when we make decisions, we see another reality. Another people come in our life, and it is really difficult to let let go all aspects that were previously. For me, for example, it was really difficult to accept the fact that I would not communicate with these people anymore. I'm sorry, the telephone stopped video. So for me, it was really difficult to let all aspects go away from my life, because you get used to live one way, and it is really difficult to make changes. But when you allow yourself to live otherwise, and to let everything that was previously go away from your life, new opportunities, new people, new situation come in your life, and you feel much better, and you should understand it. I am the example of such situations. So I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Again, I am going to a business event, and I don't expect anything from it, but I really think that it would be a bit funny. In reality, there were a lot of businessmen of the highest level of our country. So I hope that you like this video. Again, that this video will help you to come through difficulties and to understand better if you have personal crisis or not.